DJs has finally been released, and listeners were pleasantly surprised by the fresh new talent about to hit the airwaves. Of course, not to miss a beat, Trendz Travel was there with Mokoena FM's breakfast show's DJs.
Dirage is a Setswana word for wake up, and this duo is on the radio to make sure that you wake up to a great morning. Every weekdays from 7 to 9 a.m., you will be sure to find Amon Mokoena and Tumi Morake on Mokoena FM.
Tumza, Dirage, when did you start with the show?
So I started with Dirage on the 1st of April, and it's been a crazy ride. I feel like I've been here for a while now.
That's a good thing. So you are home here on Mokoena FM?
Yo! You know when you go, why did I not just start here?
Yeah.
This is such a great space to be, and I'm very happy.
Yeah. Okay, working with Amon. You guys have not worked together before, right? In any platform, right?
No, we haven't actually. He's only ever interviewed me in life. And it's very exciting because I always tell people I'm in a master class in radio. That's what working with Amon is like. I feel like once I've worked with this guy, I can put me on any radio station, brah.
Now that the two have come together, this union is a match made in radio heaven.
Working with Tumi Morake, you know, is she the funny one still, or you also try to rise up on the funny side?
I think.
Pressure.
What pressure? No, man. I guess more radio, you must just be natural, you know. And it to me is funny, yes, but give her a little more time if you want to hear how funny she is.
Just few weeks on their new slot, Tumi and Amon have already distinguished themselves from other breakfast shows.
What are the distinctive features that the listener should look forward to when they tune into the breakfast show?
Okay, we have financial information, obviously because we work in a commercial world. We have a capitalistic environment, so we need to teach people how to use money, how to save money, how to invest money. So we have a financial feature on the show. We have information that, like literally, we always want to keep abreast with what's happening in life generally, so we can speak to our listener about exactly how to navigate this thing called life.
You're doing very well so far.
When radio meets TV, you can be sure to expect the unexpected. A breakfast show hosting a TV crew definitely calls for a breakfast on the job. And just in case you didn't know where to find us, here is what Tumi and Amon delivered on their state-of-the-art promo, radio style.
You are listening to Tumi Morake and Amon Mokoena right here on Trendz Travel. Remember to catch it on
Saturdays, 5:30 p.m., SABC News Channel 404.
That's right.